In today's video, I am going to teach you how to use sequence function in Excel. We are going to build a simple pricing lookup, and by the end you will understand how to set up the cells correctly and how Excel can automatically find the price for a given item ID. Take a moment to follow along on your own worksheet, because small details like cell locations matter. First, we will set up the main table. Type the product ID into cell A1, the item name into B1, and the price into C1. While you are typing these headings, it is helpful to keep the words short and clear, because you will later see these columns while writing your formulas. After you place those three labels, you are creating the structure Excel needs to understand what each column represents. Next, we will create the lookup section where Excel will display the result. Type search ID into cell D1 and found price into cell E1. This gives you a clean place to enter what you want to search for and a place where Excel will show the matching price. Once those headers are in place, your sheet layout will be easy to read at a glance. Now you will fill in the sample data. In cells A2 to A4, enter the IDs P101, P102, and P103. As you type, make sure each value goes into the correct row. The lookup will search within this ID list, so the order and placement are important. After that, fill in the item names. In cells B2 to B4, enter laptop, phone, and tablet. Again, align each name with the matching ID from the row above. This alignment ensures that each row represents a complete record, an ID, an item name, and a price. Then we will add the prices. In cells C2 to C4, enter 1200, 800, and 400. Take care that the first price, 1200, corresponds to P101, the second price, 800, corresponds to P102, and the third price, 400, corresponds to P103. This is the data that the lookup formula will return later. Now that the table is complete, we will set the search target. Type your search target item ID, P102, into cell D2. This is the value you want Excel to find in the ID column. Pay attention to the exact text you use because the lookup depends on an exact match when we use the formula setting. Next, prepare the destination cell where the pricing result will appear. Click on cell E2 so it is ready for the formula. This cell is specifically where Excel will place the found price. Now you will enter the lookup formula. In cell E2, type the formula exactly as follows: =VLOOKUP D2, A2 C4 3 false. The first part, VLOOKUP D2, tells Excel to look up the value from D2, which currently holds P102. The middle section, A2 C4, tells Excel where to search, starting from the ID column in A2 and including through the price column in C4. The next part, 3, tells Excel which column in the selected range to return. Since A2 C4 includes 3 columns, column number 3 corresponds to the price column. Finally, the false setting requests an exact match, meaning Excel will only return a result if the ID matches exactly. Once the formula is in place, press the Enter key on your keyboard. Excel will calculate the lookup and display the pricing outcome in cell E2. At this point, you should see the price that corresponds to P102 based on the data you entered earlier. To confirm everything is working, you can briefly look back at the table in A2 to C4 and verify that P102 is paired with the price 800. That is exactly what the VLOOKUP formula is returning, and that is all there is to it. That covers everything you need to know.